So being notified through the system is very important. And so here's where you manage that. We're over here in settings under my profile. And then we're going to come up here where it says general and we're going to click on notifications. All right, so here are the notification settings, and we have some different areas that are notified. Now, this is in-app, and so this is going to be when the notifications are going to pop up here in the top corner right here in this area, okay? So that's where those notifications are going to happen. Now, email is when they get emailed to you, of course, and then text message. Once you set up your phone number, you can receive text message notifications. And so we have some different ones here, and all you do is you check the box if you want to add it or not. But we have conversation notification, we have tasks, we have WordPress, Facebook, Google, and calendar notifications. So you can read through all of those. You can see which one works best for you, but this is how you control your notifications. I would recommend just going and turning them all on. So that way you don't miss anything. And then later on, you can come back and turn it off based on the things that you need.